Hi, welcome to HardReset. Now I can show you how to fully remove Anaconda 3 from your computer. So firstly, we should open Settings. So open Settings application, and then here on the left panel find Apps. Click Installed Apps, and here find Anaconda 3, Python 3.12. So in which cases we should uninstall Anaconda but not to update. For example, in case if you selected that you don't want to use Anaconda as Python on your device, so in this case you have only Anaconda environment but not the Anaconda Python functions. So in this case, if you don't have full functionality, sometimes it's difficult just to change it in settings. Sometimes it doesn't work, especially on Windows 11. So sometimes it's easier just to uninstall Anaconda and then install it again. So click Next, uninstall, yes. Okay, and now just click Next, Finish, and go. Now open System Path. So open local disk C, find your program files, and check. Do you have Anaconda folders here in Windows? And try to find it here. As you can see, I don't have it here and here. So yeah, Anaconda was successfully uninstalled from my device. Sometimes it's better to check it here, just because on Windows 10, Windows 11 it works different, and sometimes uninstaller doesn't uninstall every files, so all files. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.